Welcome to the very first video on this channel, where we break down the latest in AI, tech tools, and smart workflows to help you create better, faster, and smarter. I'm Isaac Benjamin from Ziwali Tech, and if you're into content creation, productivity, or just love seeing what AI can really do, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 powerful AI tools every content creator must know in 2025 and show you exactly how to use them. Let's jump in. At number 5 is Descript AI, which turns video editing into word processing. This tool makes editing video as simple as editing a Word document. Here's how. Imagine uploading a video and seeing all your speech transcribed in seconds. What's powerful is this. You don't even need to touch a timeline. Just highlight the words you want to remove and hit delete. And it edits the actual video. You're literally editing video like a Google Doc. And here's the kicker. Made a mistake in your voiceover? No need to re-record. Just type the correction and let the AI recreate your voice using the overdub feature. It sounds just like you. For anyone doing interviews, tutorials, or podcasts, this tool saves hours. Now, number 4 is Notion AI. This one's for all the planners, writers, and script builders. Think of Notion as your content brain. You can ask it to generate 10 content ideas, expand any of them into a script, and even organize your weekly content calendar, all in the same place. In my workflow, I use it to brainstorm titles, write scripts, and then plug everything into a publishing timeline. It's like having a creative partner that never runs out of ideas, and it's learning your style the more you use it. At number 3, we've got something truly futuristic, Runway ML Gen 3. Now, if you ever needed B-roll, cinematic transitions, or a visual scene but didn't have the gear or time to shoot it, this tool solves that problem. You simply type a prompt like slow motion shot of waves crashing on a cliff at sunset, and Runway turns that text into a high-quality video. I mean real video, no drone, no camera, no problem. You get professional-looking visuals ready to drop right into your content. And for short-form creators, this is a goldmine. Number 2 is all about reaching new audiences. ElevenLabs Dubbing Studio. You upload a video in English and it translates and dubs it into another language, Spanish, French, Arabic, all while keeping your original voice. So imagine your video being watched in Kenya, Brazil, or France, and it still sounds like you. That's next level personalization. If you're trying to go global with your content, this tool opens doors without needing a translator or voice actor. And finally, number 1. The tool I can't stop using, ChatGPT 5, paired with the GPT store. This isn't just an AI chatbot anymore. It's a full suite of productivity and creativity tools rolled into one. I've built my own assistant right inside ChatGPT. I trained it to understand my YouTube niche, audience tone, and past videos. Now, it helps me come up with viral titles, write entire scripts, plan weekly uploads, and even respond to comments with my own voice. And with the built-in data interpreter, I can upload performance data and get AI-driven suggestions for improvement. You're not just using a tool, you're creating your own creative team. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that are not just cool, but practical. They make your process smoother, your content sharper, and your results bigger. This is just the beginning of what I'll be sharing on this channel. Every week, I'll be breaking down the tools, trends, and tips that help creators like you and me thrive in the fast-moving world of AI and tech. If you're excited about where this is going, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which tool you're going to try first. Let's build a community of smart, forward-thinking creators who believe in working smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching the very first video on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.